Hi Pixel Pals, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to talk about how to create a wireframe. So first of all, you need to understand the meaning of wireframes. Wireframes are blueprints of any digital product. They are the low fidelity sketches or digital layouts that map out the structure, content and functionality of a web app, web page or web app. They serve as a blueprint that helps designers, developers or other stakeholders understand the placement of elements like headers, buttons, navigation and content blocks. They do not focus on design details like colors, fonts or imagery. You also need to understand the goal and requirements of wireframes. Before jumping into design, ensure you understand the purpose. What problem are you trying to solve? Then you need to understand the users. Who are your target audience? Who will interact with this design and what do they need? You also need to understand the features that will be in this platform. The elements like navigation, forms, content areas and the like. You need to know where all of these will be. Now you gather information through stakeholders interview, user research and requirement documents for your wireframes. The next thing you need to know is your tools. You select your tools. So you can use pen and paper or pencil and paper. So you can also use digital design tools such as Figma, Adobe XD, Sketch, or any wireframing tools for more detailed wireframes. So the next step in creating your wireframe, you define the layout of the wireframe. You start with a blank canvas or an artboard. Then you identify content areas such as your header, your erase section, your nav bar, your main content, your sidebar, your footer, every content that will be in that platform, be it a mobile app or a web app. Then you use boxes, frame or placeholders. Here you represent elements with simple shapes like rectangles, lines or circle. So you use rectangles or frame for your image or buttons. You use lines for text or links. You also use text as a placeholder for text. Then you can use X mark inside a box to denote an image placeholder. The next thing you're going to do is prioritize content hierarchy in the wireframe. You arrange elements by importance. You consider visual weight. What grabs the attention of the user first? Can it be headline or the city, the buttons? Then consider spacing. Use white space to separate section for clarity. Now you add annotations. Always remember to include important notes to explain design decisions or interactions. Like if there's a button that leads to the payment section, always drop a note there. Then highlight animations or transitions where necessary. The next thing is to focus on functionality, not designs. You are still in the wireframing section, so avoid colors, fonts and any other decorative elements. Concentrate on the layout and the functionality of the wireframe. Now you get feedback. Share your wireframes with your team members, stakeholders or users and ask for feedback on structure, usability and feature placement. Then you iterate and refine. So here you update the wireframes based on the feedback you have gotten earlier, ensuring all key requirements are met. Then you move to your high fidelity designs. So once your wireframe is finalized and approved, you can begin to add design elements like your color, your font and your branding. Thank you so much guys. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. And do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get videos and tips regarding uiux design and other tech related talks. Bye guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.